Welcome to Is Nebeus Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Nebeus Wallet and additional details can be found in the description below. Nebeus Wallet is a multifunctional cryptocurrency wallet integrated into the Nebeus ecosystem, designed for users seeking a secure platform for managing, earning, and borrowing against their crypto assets. It is ideal for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts looking for a comprehensive solution to meet their financial needs. Nebeus Wallet supports a range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT, allowing users to hold, transfer, and manage diverse digital assets. Its integration with the Nebeus platform offers additional benefits such as crypto-backed loans, savings programs, and exchange services. The wallet provides seamless access to your funds and features a user-friendly interface that works efficiently on both desktop and mobile devices. Security is one of the wallet's core strengths. Nebeus uses bank-grade security measures, including data encryption and cold storage, to protect user funds from cyber threats. Additionally, all user accounts are safeguarded with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and stringent identity verification processes. The platform complies with financial regulations, ensuring that your assets and personal information are handled securely. What sets Nebeus Wallet apart is its financial flexibility. Users can leverage their crypto holdings by accessing crypto-backed loans without selling their assets, providing liquidity when needed. The wallet also offers a savings feature where users can earn interest on their cryptocurrency deposits, turning idle assets into a passive income stream. Furthermore, Nebeus includes a built-in exchange, allowing users to swap between cryptocurrencies or convert them to fiat effortlessly. Customer support is available to address user concerns, and the platform emphasizes transparency, providing clear terms for its financial services. Nebeus Wallet is tailored for anyone looking to maximize the utility of their crypto assets while keeping them secure. In conclusion, Nebeus Wallet combines robust security with versatile financial tools, making it a reliable choice for managing and utilizing cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a safe and feature-rich wallet, Nebeus is worth exploring. Check the links in the description to learn more and get started with Nebeus Wallet today.